So, it is December 30th, 2010.
I'm not sure anything, Dust.
Dusty and Jamie are behind us. And this is what we're driving into. Vaughn is playing the maracas. Vaughn, can you say hi? Hi. Hi.
Shake it up.
Hi. Can you shake it up? Shake it up. Dave's driving.
This is definitely the extent of what a two-wheel drive vehicle can handle.
Really?
And by extent, I mean way worse roads than you should ever drive a two-wheel drive vehicle.
Uh-oh. Should we... I guess we can't turn around.
Yeah, we can stop right in the middle of the road if you'd like me to. You're okay. Hey, Dad.
You see all the snow? What is that stuff? Snow. You're sleepy. Two. Two. Three. Yay. We're watching some Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. We're in the snow. Oh my goodness.
Shake it up.
Those?
Hi. What are you watching?
Yippee! I found the snow, Mickey. Mickey?
Live and learn.
Wait just
Where are we? Look at all the snow.
Does this snow Mickey look like Mickey?
It kind of looks like me, but what do you think is different? Right, the ears.
Aunt Jamie's back there.
And I only have two. Come on, let's check the other snow Mickey. When you see a snow Mickey with 2 ears, shout, "We got ears!"
Cold. Let's just...
We got
15
ears!
degrees.
We found the right snow Mickey.
You found the Mickey marker, yay! That means you're doing great today.